I would like to explain how to diagnose the PLC CPU. Click Diagnostics, PLC Diagnostics from the menu bar. The PLC Diagnostics screen appears. This part displays the current monitor status. This part displays the connection path that has been set. This part displays the PLC CPU operation status and switch status. Empty slots are displayed as uninstalled, blank. Place the cursor on this image to expand the function menu. Various online operations of the PLC CPU can be executed from this menu. This part displays the current error information and various status information of the PLC CPU. This part displays the error history. Click the Error History button to display the latest information. Also, the status icon legend is displayed at the lower right.